Vlogging. I'm gonna try vlogging. What's up? My sister's visiting me in New York, so I'm just gonna take her around New York. We're gonna do a bunch of fun stuff, and we'll see if this is boring or not. Let's go get smoothies. Now we're gonna go get a traditional egg on toast from a nice little deli.
What else you got? Just this?
And an onion bagel. What'd you think of the egg sandwich?
It was egg, and then it was bread.
Is that chicken? Chicken leg? In the ocean?
Chinese.
Oh, Chinese?
Chinese.
Oh, he's getting more. Do you see that? Oh my god. Oh, it's bait. Mika, I thought he was soaking it in the ocean.
You thought he was braising
I thought
the meat in
but
the
look,
salt
there's
water.
like so many he's catching like all along the coast. What?
Look.
好几个网呢。
好几个网，
Where'd the crab come from?
自己玩。
自己拿着玩。你每天来钓啊？
不。
偶尔来一下。哎，放下去了是吧？So how many?
休息嘛，就是。
20. 20 so far?
Chicken legs.
This is crazy. In New York City, they're throwing chicken legs into the ocean to get crab. Welcome to Central Park. Montage of Central Park. Go. What you wanna say?
Words out.
Honestly, I wanna see. Yeah, we're so bad at this. We're gonna bike to VR right now. Hopefully I don't drop the camera. Oh my god, I haven't ridden a bike in like years. Okay, so this is, Mika, where are we? What is this place? Asian food? All right, what are we thinking? All right, so we got these little fish desserts. One of them is stuffed with Nutella, one of them is stuffed with red bean.
I ain't got anything.
Mine's red bean. It's like a donut. It's so good. Okay, let's go play some VR.
Look down.
No, no, no. This is scary. No, no, no.
Michelle's about to walk across a skyscraper. What is this? A plank across a skyscraper.
Wait, you know what? I can't let go of you.
You can do it, me. You can do it. Mika,
I can't let go of it.
it's virtual reality.
You have a surprisingly strong grip, you know that?
No.
One more step. Okay, now slowly turn around.
No, 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 no,
Now you fell, look down, look down, look down, look down. Now do you want to try again or do you want to come out?
no, get me out. I couldn't let go of it. I'm like sweating. I'm sweating.
Ah, we're done with VR.
VR was super, 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 super cool.
We couldn't record. We played like multiplayer
games. We couldn't
games.
record because it was a multiplayer game. It was a dodgeball game that I kicked
Like,
ass at.
destroyed me. Was it worth it?
Yes, this was so fun. Recommend 5 stars.
All right, now we have to figure out, are we going home or?
So we passed out last night because we did so much. It was such a fun day. And yeah, thanks. That's it. Hopefully this wasn't the most boring thing you've ever seen, but I'll see you guys later. I don't know what this is. It's a little dude swimming. All right, this is weird. Bye. Cause every little thing is gonna be all right.
Wow, perfect.
I'm so
that
good.
Pitch was